As you can see, we've innovated and retooled almost every part of our process to reduce our impact on the planet.
By how much? 63 billion gallons. 63 million? Billion.
During the latest September keynote, Apple announced that the company will no longer be using leather in its products, which means no more leather accessories and leather cases for iPhones. In this video, I'll unbox and review Apple's new FineWoven case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I will give you my honest opinion about this so-called premium case. Spoiler, it's a total garbage. Apple spent a lot of time talking about saving the planet by reducing its carbon footprint. I mean, it's a good move for the planet, and even better idea would be to stop selling iPhones. Really, I'm not kidding, it works. Anyway, instead of leather cases, now they are selling us this new FineWoven crap. What is FineWoven? As always at Apple, it's just a fancy name for a textile. The best woven material we ever made. Like guys, this is just a soft textile material like your t-shirt or jeans. Let's check what Apple says about their FineWoven cases. The FineWoven case is made from a luxurious micro twill with a soft yet durable suede-like texture to protect your iPhone. The material may show wear over time. Interactions with MagSafe will leave slight imprints. If you are concerned about this, we suggest you use an iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case or clear case. The FineWoven material was also designed with the earth in mind. It's made from 68% post-consumer recycled content and significantly reduces carbon emissions compared to leather. The case quickly snaps into place and fits snugly over your iPhone without adding bulk. Okay, the quality is good. It has some kind of rubber on the edges and FineWoven material on the back. I should admit, this new material is really soft. It also has metal buttons. This case is of course compatible with MagSafe accessories. But how durable it is? And this is the most important question. I'm pretty sure that it will get dirty over time. Imagine putting this FineWoven case on a dirty table, which is a quite common situation. A silicone, plastic or leather case can be easily cleaned, but this textile material will absorb all dirt like a sponge, so I suppose it will get dirty as hell after just a few days, not even weeks of usage. Imagine touching this case with your dirty hands while eating a hamburger or french fries. I mean, this is a daily situation of an average American. Apple sells its premium case for $59. In my opinion, it's way too expensive for this so-called FineWoven case. And don't get me wrong, it feels nice, but I am 100% sure that this case will be thrown into the garbage in 2 to 3 months. So don't waste your money and don't buy this new case from Apple. There are a whole bunch of alternative third-party manufacturers that will last longer for a cheaper price. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.